If you've ever dealt with a dead battery or low tire pressure at the worst possible moment, car jump starters and air compressors have your back. Today's car jump starters with built-in air compressors are faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever, ready to start your engine and inflate your tires in minutes. No roadside assistance, no waiting, no stress. To save you time and money, we've tested and compared the most robust options available. Here are the top 5 best car jump starters with air compressors, picked for power, safety, and real-world reliability. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the BuTure VAC Beta07. This BuTure VAC portable 10-in-1 car battery jump starter with air compressor is great for a perfect balance of portability and essential power for everyday roadside emergencies. It is equipped for reliability and all-weather performance, and it's designed to handle emergencies without stress. You get a massive 8,000 ampere peak output with a force start function, letting you instantly jumpstart any gas engine and up to 14-liter diesel, even when the battery is completely dead. It works confidently in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, delivers multiple starts per charge, and stays ready on standby for up to 24 months. The built-in 160 PSI cordless air compressor makes tire issues effortless. With smart presets, real-time pressure detection, and auto shutoff, you can inflate a tire to 25 PSI in about 2 minutes or top off low pressure in seconds. The large 3.3-inch smart display shows accurate readings at a glance. No guesswork, no overinflation. Charging speed is another feature here. With PD 45 watts, USB-C fast charging, you can go from 0% to 80% in about 1 hour, or get enough power for a jump in just 5 minutes. Dual fast USB ports let you charge phones, tablets, or even a laptop while you're on the move. Safety is fully covered with 10 built-in protections, fire-resistant materials, and includes 400-volt insulated gloves. Add the 800-lumen emergency LED lights, retractable handle, and rugged design, and this becomes a must-have road trip essential. If you want one powerful tool that jumps your car, inflates tires, charges devices, and keeps you safe, this 10-in-1 jump starter is a smart choice. The 4th product on our list is the WNDLV JN088D. This WNDFLV 5000A jump starter with air compressor is the best portable air compressor for drivers with USB quick charging ports. It combines serious starting power, fast tire inflation, and everyday convenience in one compact device. If you want peace of mind on the road without relying on roadside assistance, this is the kind of gear you keep in your trunk and hope you never need. You will receive a massive 5,000 ampere peak current, which means you can confidently jumpstart up to 9.0-liter gas or 8.0-liter diesel engines in seconds. Even if your battery is almost dead or you're dealing with extreme temperatures, the Smart Boost function kicks in automatically, getting you back on the road fast. One full charge can handle up to 50 jump starts, so you're covered for the long haul. The real standout is the wireless air compressor built right in. You can monitor tire pressure in real time, set your desired pressure, and let it auto-stop when it's done. With 160 PSI max pressure, it can inflate a car tire to 20 PSI in about 2 minutes, and it works just as easily for motorcycles, bikes, and sports balls thanks to the included nozzles. Safety is fully handled for you. The smart jumper cables protect against reverse polarity, overcurrent, overvoltage, and more with clear indicator alerts so you know everything is connected correctly, no sparks, no guesswork. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile, working as a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, and LED emergency light all in one. If you want a powerful, reliable, and travel-ready jump starter that feels like the best product in its class, this one checks every box. The 3rd product on our list is the Yabber Auto YA90. The Yabber Auto 12-in-1 jump starter with air compressor is the best compressor for robust jumpstart and tire inflation stats for everyday use. If you're tired of carrying separate tools for emergencies, this single device has you fully covered. You're getting a massive 8,000 ampere peak current, powerful enough to jumpstart any gas engine and up to 14-liter diesel engines, even when the battery is completely dead. With the one-press boost function, you're back on the road instantly. No stress, no waiting. It's built for reliability too, with 1,000+ charge cycles and dependable performance in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The built-in 160 PSI cordless air compressor is just as impressive. It inflates a car tire to 30 PSI in about 2 minutes, features smart presets, pressure detection, and auto shutoff to prevent overinflation. The large 3.3-inch smart display shows real-time pressure clearly, even in bright daylight. Charging speed is next level. With 65-watt USB-C fast charging, you can fully recharge the unit in about 1.5 hours, or get enough power for a jump in just 5 minutes. You also get dual USB-A ports and a 160-watt DC output to power car fridges, air pumps, and other 12-volt devices. Safety is top tier, with 10+ built-in protections, spark-proof technology, fire-resistant materials, and even 400-volt insulated gloves included. Add the 800-lumen emergency lights, retractable handle, and rugged carrying case, and this becomes a must-have road trip essential. If you want raw power, smart features, and total peace of mind, the Yabber Auto YA90 is one of the best jump starters you can own. The second product on our list is the GOOLOO A3. If you want a reliable performance, all-in-one jump starter with strong jump capability that does way more than just start your car, the GOOLOO A3 jump starter with air compressor might be a standout choice. It's built for drivers who want power, safety, and convenience in one compact device. At its core, you're getting a 3,000 ampere peak current jump starter that can instantly restart 12-volt vehicles up to 9.0-liter gas or 6.5-liter diesel. Even if your battery is extremely low, the boost function gives you that extra push to get back on the road. With 1,000+ charge cycles and performance in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this jump box is made to last. What really elevates the A3 is the smart cordless tire inflator. It delivers up to 150 PSI with auto shutoff, so you can inflate accurately without overdoing it. You get 5 inflation modes: car, SUV, bike, ball, and custom, plus 5 nozzles. For reference, it can inflate a Tesla Model 3 or Y tire in about 1 minute. This is truly a 7-in-1 device. Along with jump starting and tire inflation, it works as a power bank, digital pressure gauge, LED flashlight, bike pump, and ball pump. One full charge can handle multiple vehicles or dozens of inflations. Safety is top tier too, thanks to a smart BMS system with 10 built-in protections, and the bright LED screen stays clear even in direct sunlight. If you want a dependable emergency tool that covers jump starts, tire care, and everyday power needs, the GOOLOO A3 simply does it all: clean, smart, and stress-free. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Wolfbox MegaVolt 24 Air. The Wolfbox 4000A jump starter with air compressor is the best overall compressor for large engines, featuring multiple USB outputs. It can give you total confidence on the road, whether your battery dies, your tire loses pressure, or your devices run out of power. With a massive 4,000 ampere peak current and an 88.8 watt-hour battery, you can jumpstart a completely dead 12-volt vehicle, including engines up to 10 liters gas or 10 liters diesel. From sedans to pickups, this booster delivers instant power when you need it most. You'll also love the built-in 160 PSI air compressor. It inflates tires insanely fast, about 2.5 minutes for a pickup truck tire, just over a minute for SUVs, and seconds for smaller cars. Perfect for road trips, daily driving, or emergencies. Charging is just as impressive. With 65-watt USB-C fast charging, USB-A ports, and a 160-watt DC output, it doubles as a 24,000 mAh power bank for your phone, tablet, or other devices. You can fully recharge it in as little as 2 hours, so it's always ready to go. The 400-lumen LED flashlight is bright, reliable, and includes strobe and SOS modes, ideal for nighttime breakdowns. However, it's built to handle tough conditions, operating in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, with 10 layers of safety protection and an IP64 rugged design. If you want one compact device that jumps your car, inflates tires, powers your gear, and keeps you safe, the Wolfbox 4000A is a road-ready upgrade you'll be glad you packed. That's all for our list of the top 5 best car jump starters with air compressors on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.